What's up, guys? Every time you install an app from the Play Store, you see that little green Play Protect shield and think, I am safe. Google has checked it. Well, not exactly. In fact, that's one of the biggest and most dangerous lies you have been told. There is a scam, a trick called bait and switch that hundreds of apps use to sneak past Google security filters. Once they are inside your phone, they can transform, stealing your data, bombarding with you ads, or even spying on your accounts. Today I am going to show you exactly how this works and give you one 30-second habit and one setting that will turn you into a human lie detector for apps. Let's start. The scam is clever and evil. Here is how the bait and switch works. Step 1. The bait. A developer uploads a completely harmless looking app to the Play Store. Maybe it's a flashlight, a photo editor with cute filters, or a simple puzzle game. Some of these even have 50 million plus downloads. Google scans it, finds no viruses, and gives it the Play Protect verified badge, the little green shield you see when installing. You think it's in the Play Store, it must be safe, and hit install. Step 2. The switch. Within 24 hours, there is an update. That update can connect to an external server and download malicious code or simply activate hidden features that were already inside the app but turned off during Google scan. Now your innocent flashlight is flooding you with ads or worse, spying on your contacts and messages. Here is an example. I install a flashlight app. Immediately it asks to send me notifications. Why does a flashlight need to send notifications? If I refuse, it won't even work. Forcing me to enable them, this is already suspicious. So how do we protect ourselves? Here is what you do every single time you install a new app. The 2 rules. Rule number 1. Don't open it right after installing. Instead, go to your home screen, find the app icon and long press it. Tap the little I for app info. Go to permissions. Often you will see no permissions granted at first. But here is the trick. Tap the 3 dots in the corner and select all permissions. Now you will see everything the app wants access to. If a flashlight app wants to run at startup, prevent your phone from sleeping, have full network access, run foreground services, that's suspicious. Rule number 2. If permissions don't make sense, uninstall immediately. For example, I found a wallpaper app with over 500 million downloads that wanted to take photos and videos, read and modify my contacts, access Wi-Fi info, prevent the phone from sleeping. Why should a wallpaper app need to edit my contacts? No logic. Delete it. Now for the final step, the Play Protect Deep Scan most people never use. Open the Play Store. Tap your profile picture and select Play Protect. Hit scan. This forces a recheck of all your installed apps for anything malicious that may have activated after installation. Do this once a week. Think of it as your security checkup. Then tap the gear icon and make sure these 2 switches are turned on. Scan apps with Play Protect. Improve harmful detection. So now you know the green Play Protect shield is not the final word of safety. Before trusting any app, follow the 2 rules plus 1 scan method. And here is a challenge. Check the last 5 apps you downloaded. Comment below if you find any that have permissions that absolutely shouldn't have. And share the app's name so others can avoid it. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.